Hello guys. So, if you're looking how to change your nickname in a Discord server, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So, make sure to keep watching till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now, the steps are very simple and there are two methods how you can do this also. So, firstly, open your Discord. Now, let's do the first method. So, for doing that, go to settings, then go to profile, then go to server profile. Now over here you will find server nickname. Click on it and type in any name, let's say Max. Then after writing your name, click on save. Then close this over here, and as you can see, if I write anything over here, you will see my nickname is changed. Although my name in the Discord is still the same, but the nickname in this particular server is changed. So if I go to any other server like this one for instance, and if I type in anything over here, my original name will come because I haven't changed it in this particular server. Now the second method for changing a nickname is just simply click on backslash on a chat option over here, then write in nick, choose this one, then click space once. Now write a new name, let's say time. Then all you have to do is after writing your new nickname, just simply hit enter. And your nickname is now changed as you can see over here. And if I type in anything, you will see my nickname is changed over here as well. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.